I know I wasn't active in Super Mario Maker World Engine, but this was the coolest idea I had. I made a Mario Parkour course. Of course, we're gonna be playing it in fast motion, and after that, so I would add cheesable challenges. Oh shit! First off, let's play it in replay. So let's just pull this off, and first jump, second jump. Okay, this sounds great. Third jump. And fourth jump, and now fifth jump to catch the Yoshi. So I made you play a small Toadette because to enforce you. Oh shit! I will not be that cruel. So, but wait a second, I need to add a final improvement to the level so you don't just go back and replay the course. And do my point, or just add a door. And then, in here, you would never want to. Let's just go back. Of course, I haven't released the level yet, but it's all gonna be set. And let's try to see how many jumps is required. Okay, first jump is enough. Second jump. And third jump. Here we go. And here's your fourth jump. And here's the fifth jump. And here's the sixth jump, by the way. And here is internally, I guess, the seventh jump. And here's the eighth jump. Or the seventh, I don't know. Because I didn't count. Anyways, this part is completable with both the... Oh shit. So let's... I don't know how many jumps is required, but I'm gonna see later on in the video. Now let's see how many jumps are required in fast motion. One. Oh Jesus! Jesus Christ! That makes you... Fast motion makes you skip the entire goddamn force. Oh shit. So let's try to get some more momentum. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh shit. So let's try to count. Jump. Oh my god. Let's just try to get more momentum. Oh my god. Jesus. First jump, second jump, and here is the third. Okay, anyway. Fourth. Oh shit. Wait a second. I'm gonna try to do something. Oh shit. I don't turn off fast enough. Jumps are required in fast motion. Okay, oh gee. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Shit, I needed to do this. Jesus. I really feel very cool on sacrificing the radio support. Okay, anyways. First jump, second jump, and third jump, and then fourth jump. That's it, right, Yoshi? And there's, I guess, the fifth jump. We need to get rid of this Yoshi. At least to a Yoshi, and I'm not sacrificing him. Oh shit. I'm gonna turn fast motion off. Let's just try to beat the level. And that's gonna be a pain. just count the jumps, just keep going. The Red Yoshi and Kablamo. Yeah, parkour is actually. Oh shit! I thought. Yeah, I'm gonna just go. Jesus, it's working. Jesus. Oh shit. I gotta go back. I just realized that Yoshi's never worked. In Super Mario Bros. We did escape. Cool. Sorry Yoshi, but I gotta use your brother. So I just realized, let's put it in here. So now let's restore this Yoshi jump. It's possible with all the Yoshis, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god, 7 minutes on an easy parkour course. What a disgrace. Yeah, me. Okay. This was for this jump, and yeah. Oh shit. That's why you should never even use this trick. So for the cool Mario makers, I needed to. Actually, I'm sorry for the Yoshi lovers, but you cannot do this. You can just be kind, and like Oh shit! I just realized that Bowser is unbeatable. So here's the trick. They're all gonna be at the last trick. Let's zigzag here. A fire flower. And another one. That points on you some, a spiny shell. So now let's just, sit back and wait. Yoshi's sacrifice wasn't for me. But you know what? This is other though. So it's not a complete sacrifice. Let's go. Oh shit. That's why you should not do this. Do not even abuse the Yoshi double jump. Sometimes you need a fast version. just realized I know not need spawn. I need actually follow Yoshi. Good to go. Time for the grand finale. So that's a jump mode for that move. And boom! Hell yeah! Time to kill you, Bowser. So now my level is actually beatable. By all means, with 12 minutes. And now let's just release the level, and it's actually a competitive and also a traditional level. Oh, I'm gonna call it El Fahd Parkour. 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 1. Take 1. This is the first take. Good. Let's check out what is even possible in the other style. Just for extra fun. So I'm gonna play by myself. Okay guys, so actually my level is beatable only in 2 styles or maybe more. Try it for yourself. Try the pain that I was in, and here's the thing. And this is the entire goddamn thing. And you can replicate it in Mario Maker 2, Mario Maker 1, and also Mario Maker 3DS, Mario Maker 2 in here. So, see ya.